I was studying Dunder methods, and I was nearly at the end of it. And I added something from ChatGPT. It was really nice explaining it. And Dunder methods lets to customize your objects, interact with built-in operators, arithmetic, comparison, and printing. I think this is the most easy explanation for this thing. I think I will move this to the top. Under source, instance, class, and special mode operator overloading and customization. Okay. So what is next? The next topic is package managers, and package managers allow you to manage the dependencies, external code written by you. Package managers allow you to manage dependencies, external code written by you or someone else that your project needs to work correctly. PyPy and pip are the most common contenders, but there are some other options available as well. Visit the following resources to learn more. I think we'll just cover these two, like have a basic understanding of how they works. That will be enough, I guess. So the package managers, let's write a note. Sorry for not showing you my notes. Sorry for not showing you my. I guess nobody wants to see it anyway. PyPI. Wow, I was pronounced it wrong. I was pronouncing it wrong. It pronounces as PyPI. Interesting. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. I don't know what is wrong with ChatGPT. It is not allowing me to. Oh, it has come back. The last time I was using ChatGPT, the reason option wasn't available. Now it is available. Last time I was using ChatGPT, the reason option wasn't available. Reason feature region button. My word choices are so bad. I need to do a lot of practice to be better at this thing. I am so much late in every aspect of my life, falling behind of everyone. But anyway, I'm so much hopeful. I think I'll be able to complete, even if I'm late. This number that is successful. My streams has no view. Funny enough, nobody watches this thing. What the hell? I don't care. I think ChatGPT is better in some ways. So ChatGPT has given me an explanation of what pipe PI is. Okay. So pipe PI. Why it is pronounced pipe PI? It should be pronounced pipe I. Like PYPI. Pipe I. Does it match with this thing? How? There should be a P middle of it. Then it will be, it should, then it can be pronounced as YP. How it will be pronounced as I. I don't know about the creator's thought in this. So PyPI, the Python package. Oh, the abbreviation. What does it called? Abbreviation. Full, the full form of PyPI is the Python Package Index is the official repository for Python packages. It is a central hub where developers publish their libraries and applications, making it easy for others to install and manage them using tools like pip. Key concepts. What is YPI? Repository for packages. YPI hosts thousands of packages. Developers can upload their code so others can use it. Centralized distribution. It simplifies finding and update of Python libraries. I think I should underline central hub developers publish their libraries. How about we underline the official word? If it is official. Centralized distribution role of pip. Package installer. Pip is the command line tool used to install packages from PyPI. Basic commands. For example, running pip install requests installs the popular HTTP library. It is the command line tool used to install packages from PyPI. So this is a repository for packages, and it is the official one, official repository of Python packages that you can install using the command pip. As simple as that. Like pip install numpy. Easy thing. The command downloads and installs number packages from API. Other useful pip commands: list install packages, pip list. We need to if you can remember this commands, it will be helpful in the future, I guess. Upgrade a package, pip install upgrade package name. Pip install double hyphen, then upgrade package name. I will just underscore this one. Purple pip uninstall package name and pip install upgrade package name. How about we underscore the upgrade to underline actually and underline the important words that I think should be remembered. Okay, so publishing your own packages on IPR, your package. Organize a project with clear directory structure, include your Python module and a README file. Create a setup.py. This is quick pointless method and instruction for building and installing your package. Example setup.py. From setup tools import setup Python, setup find packages, setup and the details of your package, build distribution, and best practices. There is a summary too. I don't know why the ChatGPT adds summary to everything. Use tools like VNB virtual ENV to isolate your project's dependencies. So let your project dependencies. This is the best practice. I also read it somewhere before. Yeah, I read somewhere before isolating project dependencies using the virtual environment. I think this info is enough for us. And so PI and PEEP are interconnected actually. This is the code repository and this is the command to install, package repository and this is the command to install packages from the PyPI. So we'll mark these two as done. So 34 out of 84 is come done. Even after like skipping a lot of topics. I really have no idea how I'm gonna complete this. Anyway, let's mark for package managers as completed too. Then there is common packages. Okay, common packages, pyproject.toml, and what does that? What is that? So pyproject.toml. How to pronounce toml? As a single word, a single character, or UML pronunciation. Toml. Okay, so it pronounces as Toml. I'll just say Toml. The purpose of Toml. This file is used to define the project configuration and dependencies. It is a configuration file that contains metadata about the project, such as its name, version, dependencies, build settings. The Bible file is very used by tools like Postgres to manage Python projects and their dependencies. I didn't look at dependency management and packaging tool for Python that runs on Windows and installs and manages update packages and the dependency. Poetry similarly creates safe flow between project environments on a local computer. Design exclusively Python projects, providing a streamlined workflow for managing dependency, version and building packages. So this is also a package manager, but I think we'll just skip it. I really don't know that we'll be using it in the future or not. If we need it in the future, we'll just look it up. Okay, so Then there is learn a framework. Should we be learning a framework? I have actually, I'm currently not using. We can say I used Fast API very recently in a project that I thought was interesting, but I'm not continuing that. Or we might continue in the future, but no plan now. So common packages and modules. We'll keep note that. Common packages. Are we at the so this is topic number 10. Topic number 10, common packages and modules. ChatGPT is helping me a lot. Is how to say it. I want to say something like that ChatGPT has turned out to be a good helper on my reach journey, I guess. But it certainly makes mistakes, silly ones. After all that, we'll move to this. Hello, this roadmap. How many languages do I need to learn just to get into that industry? Okay, so we'll just learn Python from here, and after that, we'll skip Windows. If we need it before, if we need it in the future, we'll come back to it. For now, I'm not gonna pursue the learning go. Anyway, so and free BSD. We'll skip that too. That will also be skipped. This will also be skipped. It will also no, this is not going to be skipped. Skip, skip. I have done some researches on this thing, the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and I will be learning CentOS Stream, which is the current version of CentOS. CentOS, plain CentOS is discontinued. So I will be learning CentOS Stream, but not now. We will be learning Debian actually. I personally don't like Ubuntu. I have been using Debian and enjoying it much. So that's it. So after finishing Python, we'll be learning Ubuntu. Then there is Terminus. And what is PowerShell? What is PowerShell? It should be skipped. So we'll be learning Bash from here. Then I think Bhim Nano. We're gonna have to learn three of them. No skipping there. So yeah. So actually, I plan to explore these these roads from yeah. So actually, after finishing this, I will be completing this roadmap. Roadmap is like we are finishing roadmap. Wow. So after that, network and protocols. It has no roadmap. What the hell? It should also have a roadmap of its own so that we can complete it too. And anyway, as it doesn't have any, so that is maybe better. Mhm. I have very good idea of most of it, except the SSL and TLS and mostly DNS too. I have DNS partially. I know how it works, but didn't like create any DNS service or worked with any DNS server at all. So yeah, some time needs there are required there. So, hello guys, I'm back again. Someone just called me on my WhatsApp, so had to go there. Had to go there and uh, need, needed to take some break. So, as I'm back again, where was I? I was doing some planning of how will I continue after I finishing my job. So, okay, so Linux, we are talking about Linux. We actually, yeah, this roadmap is distribution agnostic, as much I know. So distribution, choosing any distribution doesn't matter here. Anyway, I will use Ubuntu as, sorry, not Ubuntu, Debian, and we'll finish this thing. And it has no separate roadmap for this topic, so don't need to think about that. And what is about Docker? It has a dedicated roadmap. Let's 51 topics. Uh, how a person who is sane are able to complete this thing. Wow, too much topic. So many topics to complete. Don't know how will I be able to do. Anyway, so don't know what are these. I know what databases are using database. Linux fundamentals, container, okay, Docker, after that Git and GitHub, then AWS. Currently don't have an AWS account, but I think I need to create it anyway. We'll create a AWS account when I reached here. Reached Terraform. Terraform is open source infrastructure as a code, and it has a dedicated roadmap of its own. These are some alien technologies that I'm not familiar at all. Learning alien languages. Nice. Who knows this thing? And, and those guys, a lot of them actually forget that topic. Anyway, Ansible. So Ansible, does it have its own roadmap? Maybe it doesn't have any roadmap of its own. So it doesn't have any stable roadmap. I don't know how will I complete it. GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions does not have any roadmap. After that, there is Nginx. We'll be running some engines. And what it is written there. At this point, you should have enough knowledge to find a junior to mid level, maybe even senior DevOps position at any company depending on the depth of your knowledge. Keep learning and building projects till you find a job, and your job will teach you a lot as well. So This is our current plan, completing this small roadmap, and it is actually very extensive roadmap. The individual topics are a different roadmap. So let's see how long does it take us to complete this roadmap and get a job. And after that, I think the title of our stream will change at least. Until then, let's continue. So common packages, the ChatGPT has completed its output. The new feature of ChatGPT, actually it is not new. It has there for some time. The ChatGPT provides two output for your one prompt. And not tell me, they provide a button at the end of both outputs. I prefer this response. Do they really think that I have this much time to compare their outputs? What am I? That's pure nonsense. Anyway, I just chosen the shorter one. Maybe not nonsense. Somebody have a lot of times to waste. So according to ChatGPT, they are ChatGPT has provided what is it, modules versus packages. Okay, we'll just have a quick look of it. Don't Should not actually really waste this much time on these things, as we will learn it by doing projects or when we'll need it. Okay, module versus packages. A single Python file or my module.py can contain functions, classes, and variables. Example is def create name return a single Python file. Okay, let's underline the single word. The single word is a Python file, and that can be a module. Okay, module, what is it? Let's see. And in module, I don't think they will be able to pronounce like a native speaker anyway. So it contains functional classes and variables. Package A directory containing multiple modules along with init.py file, which makes a Python treat it as a package. We actually have studied these topics before, like it has a different topic for its own. Like there is it. No, not package managers. Where is it? We studied packages somewhere. Mm, we studied modules here, modules there, and classes. I think the modules part has the package topic inside of that. Okay, so we can just have a brief look. Okay. Briefly, studying this topic will be enough. A directory. So, package is a directory that contains multiple modules along with init.py file, which makes a Python treat it as a package. Okay. Built-in and standard modules. Ways for interacting with operating systems. Import ways. We'll just underscore ways and sys provides access. SYS provides access to system-specific parameters and functions. That is SYS. Math module offers mathematical functions. Date time module handles date times, date and times. From date time, import date time. Okay, so random for generating random numbers and making random selections. Popular third-party packages. These packages are available on PyPI and can be installed using pip. So NumPy, yeah, NumPy is a very popular package. I have heard of it before. I have heard of it before. How to pronounce that word? I am having a lot of trouble pronouncing certain words. Hard. Okay, how do you pronounce hard versus hard? Like you hear something in the past and how to say it. Okay, all the languages have this kind of troubles. Ignore that now. Popular third-party packages, NumPy. Okay, so NumPy powerful for numerical computations with support for arrays and metrics. NumPy. Import NumPy. Numerical computations. Actually, don't have any good idea about what NumPy provides. Anyway, there is an example given. Port 2468. 2468. Don't understand that. Array, NumPy array. So don't know actually I don't want to know in depth about this topic actually now. So just ignore it. Pandas for how about we powerful array for numerical computations. So underscore underline numerical. Why I'm saying underscore all the time? It is underline. I am underlining the important words so that we can review it later. Pandas essential for data analysis and providing data structures like data frames. Essential for data analysis and providing data structures for data frames. So pandas are used for data analysis. Data analysis. The hyped thing currently. Request simplifies making HTTP requests. So requests is a package that helps you with HTTP requests. Flux and Django, frameworks for building web packages. Web applications. Why it included it in the package section? No idea. Importing and using modules. Importing a module. So import math. Only type import, then math. Selective import. You can import a specific method from a module Python file with from like from math import square root like that. Aliasing. Okay, aliasing is import a module with a different name, like import numpy as np. Importing from a package. For a package structure, do not use dot notation. I just have to like remove the nodes from this personal nodes from this software. Then I'll be able to share this screen too. But don't want to like anyway. Where was I? Importing from a package. For a package structure, use dot notation. So you will this is ambiguous. What it mean by that? What does it mean by that? For a package structure, use a dot notation. For a package structure, use dot notation. Module source path. Python looks for modules in directories listed in sys.path. You can modify this list if you needed it. Python looks for modules in directories listed in sys.path. That might be a good knowledge if for troubleshooting actually. Uh, let's underscore that too. Somebody is complaining about the noise. I have noticed it so many times and it is so bothersome, but I don't think that I should do anything about it for now, as we do not really know what will be the long-term future of it. As my current mic is really good at what I need it from. For a package structure due to automation, okay. Creating your own modules and packages. Creating a module, write your code in a file and import it elsewhere. Write your code in a file and import it elsewhere. Creating your own modules and packages. Creating a module, write your code in a file and import it elsewhere. Creating your own modules and packages. I think we'll just skip this topic, or write your code from and put it elsewhere. That is just a module. Module is just a simple Python file. You can just import it anywhere. That's it. So you can put it anywhere. Write your own, import it anywhere. Creating a package, create a directory with your file. Uh, if you have a folder and a file named init.py with two underscores on the both side of the word init and .py, and it is in a directory, so this is a package. As easy as that. So best practices. Virtual use, same thing, virtual environments and version control documentation as usual. So common packages, this topic is also done. And after that there is project.toml. I think I will stop this stream at 8 8 8:40 p.m. I guess. Then I will go and have some food. I did not complete my dinner today. I have to have my dinner, and I was planning to cook food, but what to do about that? I don't have any feeling of cooking at all. Okay, let's don't cook food today. We'll do something about it later. Let's eat outside. Pipe.toml or Tomel, I guess it is pronounced as Tomel. Let's ask China. The noise is awesome. Come on, you will not believe it that when I call someone, it doesn't sound like this. It is only happening in the stream. I think if I record like offline, record a video with it, I think the sound will not be as bad as it sounds now. So what ChatGPT is telling us about Toml, Toml, I guess. myproject.toml is a modern standardized configuration file for Python projects. It was introduced to simplify centralized Python project setup, build configurations, and tool settings. Purpose and history. Build system declarations originally defined in what are these? Like references for Python language, I guess. Build system configuration. Every PyProject terminal must include a build system section. This tells pip or other build tools what backend to use and what dependencies are needed to build your project. For example, setup tools as build backend. Using setup tools as build backend. So this is a TOML file actually, and like this is a language to write things. TOML. Did you any of you hear it before? Tom's what is it? Tom's obvious. The full name of it, the TOML file format is a minimal language is a file format for configuration files. It is intended to be easy to read and write due to obvious semantics which aim to be minimal. That's there's a lot of things feels nonsense to me. Maybe I don't know the use of it, like the usefulness. Why can't we use JSON or YAML? Really don't know. There maybe are some differences where TOML actually is better. That's why the Python language wants to use it. I don't know. So we'll read about Tomel yesterday, I guess. We are having an exam coming tomorrow. So good to study about that. Can continue this for a little long time, I guess. Project.toml, that is topic number 11. And we just finish this thing and forget about it. It was introduced similar by similar project setup, build, configuration, and tool settings. Here is everything is a modern file, configuration file for Python projects. Configuration file, underline file, and Python projects. Not interested about the history. I don't know actually why there are so many file formats like YAML, TOML, JSON. Why can't we use just one? If uh, if significant changes needed, just write a different version of it with remaining similarities. Keep the similarities and create a new version of the same file format that is already available. Don't need to create one. Then I will have to study about it. How many file formats do I need to study? Then there is YAML. We will have to study about that too. Build system configurations. Every PyProject.toml must include a build system selection. This tells pip or other build tools what backend to use and what different dependencies are needed to build your project. Using setup tools as build backend. So inside a project.toml, you will write this line, and it is build system within square brackets, and after that you will like write require, then setup tools and build backend setup tools. What are these? No idea. Requires list the packages required to build your project, and build backend specifies the build tool that will create distribution files. So there you go, you have an idea now. Project metadata. Recent standards define a way to declare project metadata directly in PyProject.toml. A basic project metadata, like in square brackets, you write project, and after that you will. So we're learning how to write toml. Nice. We came here to learn Python. Now we're learning toml. What can be better than this? So name, version, description, authors, dependencies, like that. Tool specific configurations. Many tools read their configuration from project.toml, allowing it to centralize settings like poetry, dependency management, and packaging. Tool.poetry. Supports new standards that decouple build requirement from routine code, runtime code. Simplicity uses from a clear and human readable configuration format. Flexibility. Actually, what I think is uh, like the Python who was responsible for this part of Python project like Toml. That is why he used Toml. Nothing else. Maybe. Okay, we'll actually learn it fully when we'll creating a Python project. We are just covering the theories now. The next topic is list comprehensions. List comprehensions are a concise way to create lists using a single line of code in Python. They are a powerful tool for creating and manipulating lists, and they can be used to simplify and shorten code. Hmm. We saw some of the example of this in this section in list tuples like this. In list tuples dictionaries, maybe we saw some list comprehension methods like writing for loops inside a list constructor that will create lists on the fly. Anyway, and also this topic also covers how to like read from a list. Then generator expressions, paradigms, context manager. What is context? Context manager is a constructor in Python that allows you to set up context for a block of code, then automatically clean up or release resources when block is exited. No idea what is it. What is this about? New topic actually. Okay, we'll cover them later. For now, bye bye. Have a nice day.